Okay, hello there. Nice to see you here. Thanks for being punctual. And I'm Ruth, today's Blue Badge London guide. And what are your names?
I'm Robin.
And I'm Alyssa.
Alyssa, yes?
Yes.
And are you friends or you sisters?
We're friends.
Uh-huh. Where do you come from, Robin, Alyssa?
Connecticut in the United States.
Uh-huh. And is it your first visit to London?
It is. Yes.
Have you been enjoying it today?
Yes.
Yes?
Very fun.
Yes.
And we love getting to know the area and learning fun facts about it.
This is our one and only day in London, so it was really great to have a great tour guide.
Oh, thank you very much, Robin. And so where are you going to after today?
We're going to Norway for a few days.
Norway?
Yes.
Ah, it's been in the news lately for very sad reasons.
We planned it before, but
Do you know anyone there?
nope. Just going
We were
to visit.
studying in Verona, and then we just went to Spain, and now London, and then Norway, and back home.
Ah, fantastic. So you've gone from hot Mediterranean climes to you'll be going to Scandinavian. They often get better weather actually in the summer than we do.
Yeah.
Good.
It's nice though, cooler.
And is it the first, well, it's the only tour you'll be doing with Golden Tours, isn't it?
First.
So would you recommend us after today?
Definitely.
Absolutely.
Oh, good.
We've learned a lot.
Okay, thanks, Robin. And both of you, would you be quite happy for this little interview to go down onto, I don't know, TripAdvisor, Facebook, YouTube, one of those?
Sure.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks very much.
All right.
Safe travelling to Norway.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.